guys, today I'm really excited. I'm jumping, you know. As you probably read from the title, you could probably guess we're decorating for Christmas. It might be November 11th. We're out with the old and in with the new, which is gonna be Christmas. So we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna go to like Hobby Lobby and possibly Target and Marshalls to get some more decorations. I'm using my hands so much. I'm just really excited. I'm trying to limit myself to spending only $70, okay? Because I don't want to be broke. I'm so excited. I don't think I should talk anymore because I'm annoying. So let's go shopping, get more decorations.
It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
I'm in Hobby Lobby. I'm in the Christmas section and it's like really busy. So I don't know how much I'm really gonna be talking to the camera, or like vlogging in here. But I'm in here and I'm in the Christmas section. So yes, definitely going with like a pink theme. So yeah. So I'm back in my car now. I got the stuff, it's back there somewhere. But I just spent $40, so now I only have like $30 left of my limit. But we're gonna head to Target and Marshalls now and see what they have. I'm definitely going pink. I did rose gold last year, but they literally were like, nope, no rose gold this year at Hobby Lobby. So I got pink stuff, so I guess we're doing pink. And it's cute though, I like the pink. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to, my mouth's dry. Target and Marshalls and see what they have. I'm at Target now, so we're gonna go in there. So I'm in Target and I just got a peppermint mocha, like an iced one, but they didn't have whipped cream and it tastes like dark chocolate mint and not my fave. But it's fine, I always feel at Starbucks here, so. So I just finished shopping at Target and Marshalls. The AC is really loud. But I bought a blanket from Marshalls and a little like ornament thingy for the tree. And now I'm gonna head back home. Target and Marshalls really didn't have much. I did most of the shopping at Hobby Lobby. But yeah, I'm gonna head home now and I will see you guys there. I'm so excited to decorate. Okay, so also my boyfriend came and that's why I didn't vlog that much because I was spending a little time with him because he just came and visited me at Target. But yeah, I'm gonna head home now. I have a third eye right here. Let's not talk about it. See you guys when I'm home. Is that yourself?
But we just left her a hot mess because she did get a bath.
So I just went to my aunt's way longer than expected. I meant to just stay for like a little bit and I stayed for like 2 hours. But now I'm gonna go home and decorate, okay? So, little haul time. I bought this like little garland string thing. That's like sparkly with a little thing. Yeah, it's cute, but it tangles so easily, so I'm trying really hard not to tangle it. And I bought this pink garland. And then this blanket. Oh, those two things from Hobby Lobby. This blanket's from Marshalls. It's like pink and gray plaid with like little deers or reindeers. And then all the bulbs for the tree. I got these like baby pink ones. And these little pink sparkly ones. And then these are so fun. They're like little fuzz balls. I thought those were fun. And then I bought a crown that might be my tree topper. If not, I'll just hang it on the tree, but it's from Target. The bulbs are all from Hobby Lobby, Target. And then I also bought this pillow from Target. It's like, from Hobby Lobby. It's like pink. Gosh, this pillow is really giving me a tongue twister. It's white and fuzzy and like it'll replace this one. Well, let's get started on the decorating. I'm gonna show you guys my room right now. It's a little messy. It's like less messy than normal, but yes, it also has its fall decorations, so I'm gonna show you it now. So I have like pumpkins and stuff all around here, and then my bedding has like orange pillows, and then I have like little pumpkins and stuff up there. Got my little leaves. I got leaves over here. My clothing rack is with like fall clothing colors and everything. I have this little guy and like leaves here. Yes, so let's freaking do it. So I finally found my tripod shoe so I can actually set this up properly. Yay! So I'm outside to do my Christmas tree. It's right here. Because it's like one of the snow Christmas trees, so it makes a giant mess. And my dad will get mad at me if I do it inside. So I'm gonna put it together and then bring it inside.
Jingle bells, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down.
Piano in the building.
Good lighting right here. Golden hour. This is really easy to put together at least.
Jingle bell.
She's so crooked from what you guys are seeing, but from that angle over there, it looks okay. The bottom's still outside. Okay, oh no. Whatever. Oh, so difficult. I'm so messy. Okay, stop it. Got the Christmas lights. Thank.
Rocking around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple shot as we stop. Rocking around Christmas tree at the
Yay, cute. I'm gonna have to like take the things from the old bulbs and put them on because I forgot to buy new ones, but that's like fine, you know what? That's how you save money.
rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin.
This is the tree. See, these ones come with already hooked. Yes. Total score. Let's just hook these babies on. Oh my god, cute. It's crooked from this angle, but we don't have to talk about it over here. When you walk in and see it, it's not. Okay? Like, it's so small up there. But it could be cute. Hold on. What if I, like... Okay, it's crooked. We'll deal with it later. Candles don't fall. This is like a real pumpkin, so like... I'm gonna take this down and put the garland up. So yeah. It adds a little something.
I know how you feel. It's gonna be 78 here.
Okay, that was... That's cute. That is so cute. That is so cute. We love that. Okay. So it's like really coming together, like if you don't look at the mess that's under it. My parents keep telling me it's too messy to look good, so whatever. I'm gonna make my bed though. Now, look how cute. I have these from last year. They still will go because they're cute. It'll go. But yeah, and then I have more fairy lights for, I'm gonna put one of them up here and then I might wrap one around my clothing rack.
Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple shot as we stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling.
Okay, so that looks all pretty good. So I have these like snowflakes in this box from last year that I was thinking about pinning on the wall. This like very blank wall right here. So I'm gonna do that. And if it doesn't look good, then I'll take it out. It's so cute over here. Bad. It's cute. Ooh, this mirror is really dirty, but my battery for my camera just died. It's over there charging, but I'm just updating my clothing rack still, and I will update you on anything on my phone or the camera. So my camera's definitely not super charged up, but I'm getting really close to being done. This is what I did while my camera was dead. I put this garland, like, it doesn't match that, which kind of bothers me, but I put this garland there and, like, changed the clothes and, like, fixed my shoes and everything. And then I put this, like, string of lights across the border thingy because I think that looks kind of fun and, like, I don't know, whatever. And, yeah, that's what I've done. Done! Basically, all I have to do now is just, like, clean the floor, and then I think I'll be done. So my room is totally finished and it's cleaned, so I'm gonna do an overview for you guys. I'm so excited. Don't be a Grinch because it's early. That's all I gotta say. Let's go.
Hi.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
So that's the end of my video. I'm obsessed with my room. If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, don't be a Grinch if you're mad that I decorated before Thanksgiving. I just want these beautiful decorations up as long as I possibly can have them up for. If you liked it, make sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more of me and more Christmas videos. P.S. I will not be doing Vlogmas because I suck at vlogging and my life isn't that interesting. But when I do fun Christmassy things, I will definitely video it. So, yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.